Hello and warm welcome to you all to Talkie English in this new video. أهلا ومرحبا بكم جميعا متابعي قناة Talkie English في هذا الفيديو الجديد.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing good and you're well. Don't mind this thing, it's youth stuff. Our expression for today is going to be all hands on deck. All hands on deck. This is one of my favorite expressions. We mean by this expression that if a particular situation requires everyone to work hard, you can use this expression, all hands on deck. So for example, if you're having a wedding and you have the least amount of time and you suddenly need everyone's help to prepare for it, to be in time, so you say, we need all hands on deck, let's go, let's go. It means that you need everyone to work hard in order to achieve that aim, okay? I hope this was clear. Support me by hitting that heart and follow button, and see you guys inshallah tomorrow, hopefully. Take care.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful and you've got something from it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you like this content, please click subscribe and show us your support by clicking that like button and activating that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. شكرا لمشاهدتكم هذا الفيديو. إن كانت لديكم أي أسئلة رجاء اطرحوها في التعليقات. لا تنسوا إظهار دعمكم لنا باشتراككم في القناة، إعجابكم بالفيديو وتفعيلكم لزر الجرس لتتوصلوا بأحدث الفيديوهات فور رفعها.